Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox Keeps Crashing on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first method here is open up your Roblox game as you can see, and then all you need to do is click on the settings. And from here, scroll down and then click on this graphics mode and set this to manual. And then once you've done, go to graphics quality and all you need to do is reduce the quality on graphics on your Roblox. Now once you've done right here, let's go to the second method. Now the second method here is go back to your home screen and try to search for device manager. Then next open this device manager app as you can see here, and then once you've opened this, you'll find your drivers on your computer. So just go right here on display adapters and then right here right click this driver and then click on update driver. So you just need to install the latest update of your driver. And once you've done updating your driver here, as you can see, successfully installed. Now let's go to the third method, which is you need to go to your Windows update and try to install or download the latest version of your Windows settings. So just tap on this download and install and just update your Windows settings. So once you've done right here, let's go to the fourth method. So go back to home screen and here try to search for Task Manager. Here on Task Manager under Processes, all you need to do is just end all the running program on your computer. So right click and then click on the end task. So that's how you basically stop all the running program from your computer. Now once you've done here, let's go to the fifth method here. So go back to your home screen and then go to Roblox player icon. So right click and then click on this open file location. And once you open this folder here, so you want to go here on the Roblox player launcher. So just right click this one and then click on properties. And then an options pops up. As you can see here, you just need to click on this compatibility and then check this disable full screen optimization. And then you just check this run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then click on the drop down menu and then click on Windows 7. So once you've done right here, click on apply and click on OK. But if the problem persists, you need to use a different browser. As you can see, you can use Firefox, Opera, or UC browser. And once you've tried to open the Roblox and you think it fixed the issue, so just go back to Google Chrome and then click on this extension and then manage extensions. So here you just need to remove or uninstall all the extensions or unnecessary extensions from your Google Chrome. And then you can actually click on these three dots at the top right and then click on settings. Now here you just need to clear the data or cache from your computer. So click on this site settings. Then here click on this view permissions. And then you just need to search for Roblox. So type right here Roblox and you'll find that Roblox app. As you can see, you just need to delete the cookies and cache from this account. So just click on that trash bin icon to confirm your action. So yeah, that's how you basically fix this Roblox keeps crashing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.